In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove login to Wix site. If you've decided your website doesn't need member logins anymore, the quickest and cleanest way to remove all sign-in prompts is to delete the members area from the Wix editor. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that, along with a few notes so you know what to expect. First, open your site in the Wix editor. On the left side of the editor, look for the Pages icon. It typically looks like a small stack of pages and opens your site's Pages panel. Clicking this brings up a list of all the pages and sections on your site, including any special areas that were added automatically when you enabled member features. Inside the Pages panel, find the section labeled Members Area. If your site has member features turned on, you'll see it listed there. Hover your mouse over Members Area to reveal additional controls, then click the small settings gear icon that appears. This gear opens options specific to the Members Area, so you can manage or remove it. A quick tip: if you don't see Members Area listed, that means your site doesn't currently have it installed, and there's nothing to remove. In the Members Area settings, select Delete Members Area. Wix will ask you to confirm because this action removes the built-in member pages and login components in one go. Confirm the deletion, and Wix will automatically remove the login, sign-up prompts, the members menu, and default member pages such as Profile and My Account. This is the most reliable way to ensure the login requirement disappears across your site. A few things to keep in mind as you do this. Removing the members area does not delete your contacts or any site members you've collected. They remain in your site's contacts list for future use. It simply takes away the ability for visitors to log in. Also, if you previously had pages that were restricted to members, review those pages afterward to make sure their visibility matches what you want going forward. Because the login gate is gone, you'll want to confirm those pages behave as expected for all visitors. Once the members area is deleted, browse your site in the editor's preview to confirm the login button and any member-only elements have been removed. Your visitors will now be able to navigate the site without being asked to sign in. And if you ever change your mind, you can add a members area back later and restore login functionality without starting from scratch. That's it. You've removed the login from your Wix site quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.